Hi everyone. The first assignment that you have this week is called Word Sneak, and what Word Sneak is it's a fun game that we play where we try to sneak in all the vocabulary words that we have this week, which are listed right here, in a conversation that we have in class, and that will take place on January 19th at 2:30 p.m. It's going to be fun, and I hope to see you all here. This is our last week in Lippy, so it's your last chance to come to our virtual class on January 19th, regardless of what your last name is, at 2:30 p.m. If you can't make it on January 19th, then make sure you come on January 20th. And if you can't come either of those days, here is a vocabulary worksheet that I want you to fill out. You can use the unit glossary to complete that assignment, and that has a lot of information in it that can help you. And to access the document, I have made a link here down at the bottom, and it'll look like this. So you open to attach and submit. You click on it, and it should have all the words there in a Google Doc. I know Mr. Sapora uses this technique usually to have you complete assignments. I don't, but I'm going to give it a try this week, so go ahead and do that. If that doesn't work for you, we are going to be taking your final exam is going to be in the World History Project website, and there is a link in all your assignments to that. We are in our very last unit, Unit 9, Globalization. So I really want you to go to this website and become familiar with these, with your assignments in this website. So as I said, your first activity is Word Sneak here with this vocab guide. Your second assignment is to read this article and answer some quiz questions. Your third assignment is to watch this video, or if John Green talks too fast for you, you can read the transcript as well and answer the questions to this video. Remember, with the articles in the World History Project, they always start at a 12th grade reading level. So if you want to, for whatever reason, if a topic is a topic you're not familiar with, you'll want to lower the reading level. It goes as low as a 7th grade reading level, and that's just a general estimate. But as you're reading, if you want to lower it or toggle up, this is the 9.5 grade reading level. This is 10.5 grade reading level. So decide where you want to go when you read the article. And then the last thing I'm going to have you do is a quiz on the website. So go to this 9.1 practice set. After you've done this article and the vocabulary, then take this this quiz here. There's also 2 more great articles here. They're pretty short, and I encourage you to do all these activities because this is what your final is going to be on. But I do want to limit your assignments to a manageable amount, so I'm only requiring these 2. So watch this one, read this one, and then take the quiz. All right, and then that's all you've got to do for this week. Here is the question for the end of the unit. Evaluate the extent to which globalization since the Second World War has benefited everyone. So by the end of this class, you have to be able to tell us whether or not you think globalization, or weighing all the factors that of our interconnected world, has it been a good thing for everyone, or just some people? So clearly you're going to need to know the term globalization, and you're going to have to know what the Second World War is, right? And that was the unit we just studied. So I'll see you on January 19th at 2:30. Have a great weekend. Ciao.